The Vagus Nerve Practitioner Diploma is a Gateway Workshops online course. It's a must for therapists looking to add to their knowledge, but also for complete beginners looking to start their career in this field. This course will give you a greater understanding of the vagus nerve, give you knowledge on how to stimulate and heal it, and provide you with the right tools to self-heal and help your clients to do the same. In this course, we explore the vagus nerve, aka the wandering nerve or the soul nerve, in all its glory, because this nerve reaches into most of our body, including our throat, lungs, heart, stomach, liver, spleen, pancreas, kidney, and gut, including both our large and small intestines. And as the largest part of our autonomic nervous system, it unifies our entire system. Although most of the research discovering what the vagus nerve can do and does has only been in the last 2 decades, it's not an entirely new concept if we consider traditional Chinese medicine, which has focused for thousands of years on the energy flow within us. Although there is a wealth of information on different websites and blogs, the vagus nerve can still be a little confusing. In this course, we start at the beginning with a breakdown of our nervous system and how it all works. There is definitely some medical and scientific jargon to get our heads around, but we've broken it down with a collection of illustrations and definitions that should help our understanding. This is all in part 1 of the course, where we learn about what the vagus nerve is and the impact it can have on our overall health. In part 2 of this course, we focus on healing the vagus nerve, or vagus tone, and how we can stimulate it both medically and with non-invasive techniques. We also delve a little deeper into the gut-brain axis and how stimulating the vagus nerve can potentially help with gut-related issues. By the end of this course, you will have a much greater understanding of our nervous system, how they work together, and how the vagus nerve actually works, and, proven by science, can, through stimulation, heal some of the damage that modern life, stress, traumas, and health can be healed through working with our soul nerve. It provides a Vagus Nerve 101 pack, along with other resources to help wellness practitioners integrate this knowledge into their wellness practices. Once you have completed this course, you'll receive a professionally accredited and approved certificate, allowing you to use this knowledge with the general public and charge. Join the thousands of students who are trained with our award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.